Hello everybody. In this video, I'm going to give you a little glimpse inside my newest product. This is the Anxiety Panic Attack Journal. So I decided to make something like this because these kind of products, they're really needed. There's so many people that are dealing with mental health issues and anxiety and panic attacks, and so I put together this journal and I'm going to show it to you right now. So this is the cover. So the printable journals that I make them with in mind that the person is going to print it and put it in a binder. And so if they do that anyway, they're going to need a cover for the binder because, the cover just makes it better. So here's a cover. And then here's the first page, and this is the page that is actually designed for laminating if you want to keep this handy for when you're having a panic attack so that you can quick read all of the tips. So there's some tips on this page, and then there's some more on this page. You can put them together and laminate them back to back so it's double-sided. And then that way, every time you have a really bad anxiety attack or a panic attack, you can grab this and run through all of the tips. And then here is a page on tapping points. So tapping, otherwise known as EFT, emotional freedom technique, is a way to get rid of anxiety. Well, maybe not get rid of, but it's a way to um, tame it down a little bit. A lot of people use this when they are having anxiety or depression or any mental problems at least anyway. It's really good for that. So there's the points, and then there's a website resource there for you to go to if you want to learn more about it. And here is the tracker. So this is the page where you keep track of the date and time, the duration, any possible triggers, the methods that you used to relax, and then the results. And this is the page that is going to help you figure out what works for you and how to manage your anxiety and panic attacks. And this page here has journal prompts to help you dive deep into the why they're happening. So here is the picture on Etsy. It's a printable anxiety panic attack journal. There's 5 pages total plus the cover, so technically 6. And this is in 8.5 by 11 format or A4 if you're watching from another country. Although these are the same size pretty much. They're just a couple centimeters off, but you can adjust your printer to do any size that you want on any paper. So you can do it smaller if you want to, but you probably don't want to because you probably want to just do this on regular size paper. That's pretty common. So here is the journal, and I think this is only like $6 or $7 on Etsy, and I'm going to leave a link down below so that you can just go right to that. And if you know anybody that has panic attacks or anxiety problems, send this video their way, and maybe this is something that they would be interested in. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.